Okay. Robin said, can we talk about hub marketing? I'm not sure what it is or how to go about it. Okay. So for those of you who are new to hub marketing, there's some resources I'll direct you to. Marketingforhippies.com/steps is the page. And on that page, you'll find at step 5, all my free stuff around hub marketing. Yeah, and that'll give you the what it is, why it matters, all this. But just for if you're new and you've never heard that term before, basically what we're saying is this. Don't be so lonely, is what we're saying. So many solopreneurs, it's just heavy on the word solo. They do everything alone. And you can market your business by building relationships and by building community. And it's a more solid way to build your business. It means a lot of partnerships. And it means that like, a hub of a wheel that's at the center where all the spokes meet up. Well, that's what a hub is. So they are people who are very well connected to and respected by people in their marketplace. And if they endorse you, there's basically 3 levels of marketing: cold, warm, and hot. The cold level is you're just approaching people like strangers and they don't know who you are and they don't trust you. Yeah. But the warm level is somebody who they already trust endorses you or introduces you. Or instead of just trying to find them randomly on the street and knocking on doors, you go to a festival where they all hang out. That's a hub. And the hot level is you have become a hub, but in the way that now everybody knows who you are and what you do, and most of your business is coming from word of mouth at that point. Yeah, and that's the level I would suggest aiming at. How do we get to that level? We stop doing the cold stuff, fundamentally. We stop talking to strangers, randomly cold calling, knocking on doors. We just stop that as much as possible. And we start building relationships with these hubs. And that changes everything about our marketing. It's the girl guide who, instead of selling cookies door to door, goes to the weed shop, where people are coming out high or about to get high, and sells cookies to them. That's genius, right? That's where people who are got the munchies go. And so you bring the munchies to them there. That's hub marketing. But anyways, marketingforhippies.com/steps, you'll find a lot more resources, again, for free. And in the membership in our 4th quarter, we got a whole semester dedicated to hub marketing.